Okay, so we're boxing a rare item from One Piece. Let's go. There, Luffy. Let's unbox it. Let's see what's inside. You know.
Oh. Pakita mo sa video.
Just don't mind that sound. Let's see what we'll get. Okay.
Wait.
Okay, let's wait first. Okay. Oh.
Buwasag yan. Kung gusto dadamputin yan. Hindi yun.
Okay.
Ito RA.
We got number
286.
286. Wait. We got number 286. Wait, it's kind of blurry. Can you see it?
Ito.
Well, but we just got 286. It just matters that we got 286. It's not that proof. We already got proof. We can see it by eyes, but not the camera.
Wait ha, huwag mong don't touch ha. Don't touch ha.
I won't touch it. That ruined my video.
Pakinig sa vlog mo.
Okay. That was just done at you. Okay. Again.
Ano yung card?
Look, see?
Yung card akin na.
Wait. It's so thin. Why is the card so thin? See? That's 286. Get them 286 and find out for yourself. Or was it 286? Yeah, no, 286. This is what you might get if you got 186. Okay. Oh. Let's see. Well, look at this. Look at that. Some people in the background. Wait, can I just...
And it's done.
And it's... Wow, look at that. Oh, yeah, that's pretty bad.
Alin? Hindi pa.
That red thing, you see? Yeah. So, that's a bruise.
Oo.
Where do you put that? We don't... Wait. Where do we... One Piece, if you're watching this, where do you put this? Where do you put this?
Small yan?
He's
Dapat i-XS ang...
oh, there.
Yun ako, pa nag-small pa naman ako.
Hindi kasya lang sa'yo eh.
Kulong
Ito mga t-shirt mo na to eh. Iyo to eh.
Ha?
Kasya sa iyo.
Kasya pero sobrang laki.
Hindi ah.
Small na ano yun eh. Akin ba yan?
Just don't mind the talking. Just don't mind the other talking. Okay.
May coordinator na ako. Ano lang.
This is the best part. Putting it here.
Sana din naman pati sila. Gipit na gipit sila sa oras ng ano
Putting it.
Isa dami
I'm in that
preparation
shirt,
nila.
so
Anong man sila nagsabi? October?
see,
Oo. Tapos sila
see.
ay tapos ngayon December agad ang ano. Isamantalang yun
I'm too short, so I'm racing
Sila
it.
halos isang taong pa eh.
So I'm short. See.
May incoming na. Eh dito kasi yung kapag ano
See?
nila ang salat
Card.
ng buwan. Gipit na
Card.
gipit sa preparation ng sa dami ng lahat na pumasok di halos sila sa ibang
Una pa nga ang
bansa.
timbugan kaysa ano. Sabi na nila yung
And also this is the Luffy collection. Yes, the One Piece collection. This, it's just one thing we have to unbox.
Eh,
Yeah, you can close it now. Okay.
Yun, nalaglag.
kaso iba-iba yung size ako na kayo.
Oh, it
Meron
fell,
din yung
fell the
nakaganon
car.
na yung acrylic na patungan na nito.
Oh.
Latagad dyan.
What? Look at this. Ay, my God.
Ay, sabi ko, ibig niya ginapot, ginapot, mabasag yan. Ito. Ito, tsaka ito.
Look at this. Yeah.
Kaya nga. Di ba yung nag-unboxing nga daw kami?
Yeah, we were unboxing.
I watch your YouTube upload, ha?
Okay, my channel name is Mindblocks. But not the first one you see. It's the one you see on shorts because I make a lot of shorts.
Nakasubscribe na ako sa'yo eh.
Yeah. Okay, let's put it back in the box. Unboxing plus boxing. Plus
Ano pala maganda yan? Ano, may espada. May sword.
look,
Tanong mo si Tapapet kung kailan dadating yung nasa kanya.
he's funny. See?
Bukas to. Ito maganda. Malaki to.
Oh, look at this.
Sinlaki nito to.
Look
Binuksan
at
natin,
these
diba?
small guys.
Sinlaki nito. Or itong isang to.
Does he he doesn't want to be here. Wait.
Tsaka nilagay yung mukha nito, yung extra. Doon sa itong box na to, ano? Yung box na yun.
He doesn't want to be here.
Ito magkasi laki lang ito. Tsaka ito.
Wait. Oh.
Yung size nila.
Let's inbox. Let's inbox this phone. Bye.